Hey guys, it's Nikki and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for watching today's Pack With Me video. Not to Walt Disney World. So we are so excited. We get to actually head to Pennsylvania because our friends are getting married and we are going to go to New Jersey. We're going to go to New York. It's going to be such a fun weekend. So we are leaving tomorrow, which is Friday, June 2nd. Wedding is on Saturday, and then we will come home on Tuesday. We're going to go do some Peloton classes in New York City with Allie Love, and I can't even believe it. I am so excited. So we have some packing that we need to do. Just gonna have a carry-on, so we need to make sure that we are being reasonable, and we need to make sure that we are packing room for souvenirs from New York because we go into the Disney store in Times Square. So really excited. Thanks so much for watching today's video. Make sure you are subscribed to the channel. I love sharing magical content here at home and at theme parks, at sea, and you know what, just like around the world now. We just love to share the magical moments. So I'd love for you to be a part of my community. Let's get packing. So this is the setup that I have currently. I have my Peloton gear back there. I just brought up my swimsuits. I'm not sure which one I am going to bring yet. We always have our supervisor with us. And then I have my beach stuff right there. So I have like a long sleeve, like swim shirt, and then some cover-ups. Then also like a generic, like a relaxation outfit for like Sunday night. My Monday outfit is still up in the air. I'm not sure. I'm not bringing all three of these. Don't worry. I'm not sure which one. White's definitely not coming, so we can put that away. But I have like a white bodysuit tank top thing that I kind of want to wear, but it has a stain on it, so it's currently being washed. Fingers crossed for me. And I don't know if I would want to wear black shorts or my regular jean shorts. And then most importantly, I have my lovely dress for the wedding with my white shoes. I'm currently in a dilemma of what shoes I want to bring. So I have my heels, and then I'll need to bring a pair of sandals. But for New York, I don't know if I want to wear like my white Birkenstocks or my Nikes. I probably will end up just wearing my Nikes on the plane, and then I will just pack my Birkenstock sandals. I think that will be fine. And then, so I have my regular away carry-on suitcase, and then I'm also bringing my purple duffel that I always carry, as well as my black Stoney Clover backpack. So my plan is to use this in New York because we'll have to have our Peloton stuff on when we get there, and then afterwards we'll change and then go explore the city. I think I'll be able to fit my backpack either at the bottom of my suitcase or in my duffel, but that's where we're at right now. I think I might throw one of my cruise bags as well in somewhere that I can fold up really small for the beach, just so we have like an extra beach bag. We don't need to bring towels or anything, so we're good there. So I just need to get my New York outfit, all of my like other little items that we need. All my toiletries are still together from our last trip, but I'll need to like go through them again just to make sure everything's under 3 ounces that is liquid, and then we'll be good to go. So again, quick weekend trip, going to be very good on my packing, not going to overpack, and I'm gonna have plenty of space when we come back for any souvenirs that we get. Okay, so it's been a minute. I took a shower, I got some dinner, and now I have all of my clothes laid out now. My face is a little red because I just took a shower. But oh yes, hair also prep for vacation. I always use Color Wow's Dream Coat. Shouldn't say always. I try super hard to use it before vacation. It helps with like frizziness. I love it. It's activated by heat, and I think it lasts up to 3 washes. So highly recommend, and I'll leave that link down below for you. So here's my outfit for New York. I just have a t-shirt, tank, and shorts. I don't know which one I will want to wear that day. I have most of my bathroom stuff prepped. I actually need to go to the store tomorrow and get more hairspray in like a little bottle, as well as more contact solution. I have to use 2 different kinds, and of course I am like really out of one kind. I need to get my shoes, and then I think that is it. So we're gonna get all of this packed up. I'm gonna get my suitcase out, put all this in packing cubes, see where we're at then, and then we'll be good to go from there. That is back there. That's a present for Alyssa. She wanted some sweatpants when I was in Disney last, and so those are for her. But I think other than that, this is all we will need. Yes.
Have passed me by the night. We keep on drinking, keep on wishing for someone out there to hold. All those little moments, the bites you didn't catch me looking over your shoulder, just at the right time. Those little moments all led me to you. Only God knew about all those little moments. Well, maybe it was fate or a part of his plan. Giving me you was like giving me another chance. Thank God that you said hi, 'cause I was way too shy. What would have happened if you just had passed me by the night? We keep on drinking, keep on wishing for someone out there to love. All those little moments, the bites you didn't catch me looking over your shoulder, just at the right time. Those little moments all led me to you. Only God knew about all those little moments.
So that side is all packed, ready to go. It's so nice taking a carry-on because I don't have to worry about the weight, because we're just not flying international or anything. So for this side, I'm going to put like my skincare and my bathroom stuff, just because it's a little heavier and I don't want to have to like carry it around in my duffel. So now I'm going to get all of the other randomness items that I need to take. So my chargers, different things like that, get all those packed up, and then we probably will be done for tonight. We don't leave until 4. We're getting picked up at 4 o'clock tomorrow, so I will have time tomorrow to like finish all of my packing. So I'm not crazy organized when it comes to all of the things that I have, but I'm trying to get better, and that is like one main thing I really want to figure out this summer. So down here I normally had my chargers. I already grabbed it, and then I'm like, oh, I want to show you guys. That back there is like masks and just other just randomness. And then this cute little drawer. So I'm going to need this guy for my jewelry. Phone charger, I need to get that plugged in. I don't need any magic bands. I will take that sunglass cleaner. And then in these ones are some, that's my AirTag lipstick, Tic Tacs, mints. I believe my gum is in this one right here. Ugh. Here we go. So I probably can combine those ones this time. I don't think I will need either one of those. Ooh, I need my silk pillowcase. Love that. I think we're good there. And then this top one here has all of my koozies. I'll leave those linked down below for you, and then all of my magic bands. So I actually need to take these two magic bands, whoa, and throw them up there. Perfect. There we go. So this is a Stoney Clover large pouch, and it actually is brand spanking new. I haven't had a chance to use it yet. It is from the Toy Story collection. I'm not sure if it's still available. If it is, I'll leave it linked down below, but I'm just gonna go ahead and reorganize a couple of these guys, and then I will throw everything in here. Things are going great. So I have my biggest toiletry bag hanging thing in here, and then I have my face wash. I just have to put my makeup in here, and then I'm just making sure that my computer, snack bag, fanny pack will all fit in here. So yeah, we're figuring it out. We're figuring it out. Closed. So excited. So we are about to leave to the airport. I will take you guys along with me as much as I can. It shouldn't be too crazy because we're just carrying on, but got our stuff. Feel like we have everything. If not, like I literally just told Jackson, it's not like we can't like run to Walmart or anything. It's a lot more like feasible rather than like having to run to Walmart at Disney World. So ready to go, got our stuff. Let's head to Pennsylvania. Morning, it is 9:30 next day. So travel day was good. We were only delayed a little bit in Atlanta, and then once we got to Philly, we had to drive about 45 minutes to our hotel. So the Philadelphia International Airport was the closest one to the hotel we're staying at in Hamilton, New Jersey. So that was fine. We got back probably about 1:30 a.m. So a little sleepy this morning, but we're just gonna go down and get some breakfast. But I'm gonna end this pack with me and travel with me vlog here. Thanks so much for watching today's video. Make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel. Give this video a big thumbs up. Have a magical rest of your day, and I will see you real soon. Bye.